Welcome back guys. In the last lecture we have discussed about the states in class component. Now in this video we are going to discuss about the state management in class component. So how to declare state and how to manage the state means how can we change the value of the state. So first I will declare the state. Before declaring the state we have to write the constructor. In the constructor we have to write the super keyword. Then we need to declare the state, this dot state. So here this dot state is a object, that's why we need to write the values in key value pairs in the curly braces. So first I will write the key as country and I will write the value as America. So here this is the country is the key and the America is the value. Now I want to use this country in the HTML content. So I will create a h1 text. The declared country is whenever you want to use the state variable value in the HTML content, we have to use that in curly braces. This dot state dot country, that's it. Now let's see the output. Here you can see we got the output. The declared country is America. Now we need to change the country from America to some other country. Here we have declared the state but we have not changed the state. Now we will see how to change the state once we are declared. So first I will create a button. After clicking that button only we have to change the text in the h1. First I will create the button with the name change country. Here you can see the button is created. After clicking this button, the text should change from the declared country is America to the declared country is Australia. I want to change the value of country from America to Australia. Now we will see how to change it. First we will add the onClick function for this button. onClick. So in React we have to use the capital C for onClick. When it comes to the traditional JavaScript, we will use the small c, but in React we have to use the capital C. After onClick we have to use equal to and we have to write the function name in the curly braces. So now we need to write the function name. Before writing the function name we need to create it first. So I will create the function. So I will write the function name as change country equal to parenthesis. I will write the arrow function. So this is the syntax of arrow function. First we need to write the function name. After that we have to use the equal to operator followed by the parenthesis followed by the equal to and arrow symbol. Afterwards we have to use the curly braces. This is the syntax. So in React we do not use the normal functions, mean we cannot use the function keyword. If you use the function keyword it will raise the error in React. So I will show you how to use the function keyword. If you use the function keyword, suppose function, I want to use the same name, change country. So here you can see we got the error. In React function keyword is not supported, that's why we cannot use it. So I will remove it. Now we need to write the code to change the text, means country value from America to Australia. So to change the value of any state variable we need to use the method this dot setState. So this is the method used to change the value of any state variable. Not only this country, if you declare any variable in the state, this method is used for changing that value. So this setState method accepts one parameter, that is object. So here the object must be in the curly braces. So in these curly braces we have to write the key and value. Here the key is variable name. Here our variable name is country because we are want to change the value of country colon and the new value what we want to change from America to Australia. So here I want to change from America to Australia. That's it. Now we need to call this function after clicking the button. So we need to call the function by this dot function name. Here the function name is change country. That's it, our program is completed. Now let's see the output. So whenever I click this button, the text should change from the declared country is America to the declared country is Australia. So I'll click this button. Here you can see the text is changed. The declared country is Australia. Before clicking this button, the text is America. After clicking the button, the state is changed from America to Australia. I will explain once again how it works. So here we have created the H1 text with the value this dot state dot country. So in the state, the country value is America. After clicking the button, we have executed the function with the name change country. Here the change country is arrow function, and this is the syntax of arrow function. In that arrow function, we have written the code to change the value of state. So we can change the value of any state. So here the setState method accepts one parameter. That parameter is an object. So the object is having the key and value. Here the key is the state variable name and the value is state variable new value. So here we have the initialize the country by using the value America. Now after clicking the button, we have changed the value from America to Australia. Not only one variable, we can change the any number. So suppose I will write the another variable with the name language. So here the language is the key. I will write the value as English. I want to use this English, I want to use this language keyword variable in the H1 text. H1, the declared language is English. After clicking this button, the language must be changed to some other language like English to French. So I want to change the language from English to French. This dot set state. So in the brackets we have to write the object. In that object we have to write the first key. Here the key is language. Now I want to change the language from English to French. So in the single colons I want to write the French. That's it. Now let's see the output. After clicking this button, this America should change to Australia and English should change to French. So I will click this button. Here you can see only the Australia is changed. There is something mistake in the English keyword. So we have to find the mistake where it is. So here in the H1 text we have not used the external variable. We have directly written the English only. So we need to use the this dot state dot language. This dot state dot language. Now we will see the output. This time it will be correct. So I will click this button. Here you can see both the America and English changed to Australia and French. So like this way we can use the state management technique in class components. Thank you.